Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to make a rollover image inside your blogger's blogspot website. As you can see here, when I hover my mouse pointer just along it, it will change from one image to image without clicking any links. It just roll over. It is called rollover image here. So now the first step that you're gonna do is you need to design your image like this. You need two images of them, and you make sure that you have used the line to separate between the middle of the upper image and the lower image. So you need to line to separate between it is upper and lower image to make sure that it is completely different. And after that you need to design. It is a very small pixel. Now I'm gonna show you what size is that. The size that I'm gonna use this one is, we call it create with 56 white pixels, and height is 180 pixels. And after you have that, you need to save it as an PNG file. So I'm not gonna do that, but I'll just show you because I have done already. And make sure that you have used this PNG file, because if you are using the background, sometimes it can be changed different. So save it on the desktop now. Here's the step 1. And the step 2, we gonna need the coding here. It is coding, and here is the image text. So if your website don't have the image text, so you can use this image text instead of use this code instead of image text. And it is you can download it inside my video description. And after that we're gonna start a new post. Okay, and you can add the post to the statistic page if you want, but here is it just an example for you that I will explain you. It doesn't explain you, but you can put it everywhere that you want, like the static posting, statics page, or anywhere. So now we're gonna call it rollovers image. Sorry, by Khmerue Teams, just like that. Okay, officer. And after you have already titled, you're gonna choose this one here. It is you're gonna choose the HTML views, because we are posting with a code, not a text. So go to again and click that, and now we're gonna use this code for the posting. You use this first code to make it is to make it an image text IMG tag, because in some bloggers we don't have an IMG tag. So you have used this code to make it instead of IMG text. And if you want to something that you want to make your image can clickable, you can add the URL of this link here. And if you don't want your image to be clicked and go through the links, just leave this alone. So now go ahead and press Ctrl C to copy, and then pass it here, because we're gonna use this instead of the image IMG text. And now I'm gonna click enter. And the next step is you're gonna add this code, guys. Add this code. Press Ctrl C to copy it and pass it here. And this place is a link of the URL image that you're gonna add. You're gonna upload it by your own. So you can change this make links by your own without this is my image, so you can make it by your own self. Now we're gonna see here, it is my image, but you can change it. So if you want to change it, you're gonna click on this image here and then upload it from the PC, and then choose the files and find your image that you have been designing with Photoshop, and it is an PNG file. And now click on open, just like that, and it takes some time to upload. After you have been already upload, you need to right click on that and copy the link address here, and then click cancel. And now we have a code. Now here is the link of image address here. Now go ahead and press Ctrl C, and now replace your image by uploading by your own self. Okay, now I'm gonna use the same because the image is the same. So after you do that, you're gonna click on publish and then confirm. And now we're gonna check out what is happening now. So go to the first page, because the last page here, it looks like it's not working properly yet. But you have to do 2 more steps to make it work, and make sure that now I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to go to the center text. You're gonna open the center text here by press opening the center text, and on the bottom of the code you need to close the center text to make it running into the center. Okay, like that. And now gonna go to publish again. Click on publish, and everything will be go to the center now, and you can refresh it directly from here, and now it is go to center. And the last step is you need to change the size, because your image is sometimes is bigger size than it was. So if you are increasing the size, it have a lot of pixels that now I'm gonna test for you. For example, just like this, I turn it to 560 pixel size, so it is very large wide. So now I'm gonna refresh that, and you will see it is very large and wide. So thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna change it to more size, for example 36, just like that. It will be working fine, because 36 should be fine for this image. And now I'm gonna click on publish again. Okay, and now we're gonna refresh the page. Yes, it almost works now, but it's still something that appearing inside from one image to the other image. So you're gonna change this one also, that is 90 pixels, because it is a height of image. So you're gonna change the height of image, because the wide we already changed to the small one, and the height is not yet changed it to the small one. So I recommend you to change it to about 50. Okay, about 50 pixel, and we just test, and we can fix that. We're gonna change it later. So now go ahead and click update, and see what's something wrong. Okay, 50 is enough to change, to hold over the image here. Okay, now guys, okay, everything is gonna be changed now. It only 50. And now it is work for this size, the head and wise size. After you do that, you're gonna click publish, and now go to turn back. And here you are, it is your rollover image just like this. I hope you guys understand, and will take you some more how to do everything in a Blogger Blogspot website. So thank you for watching.